For beauty professionals, suite stylists, and salon owners, SUDZZfx offers a complete professionals-only online store that allows for fast and easy ordering. In addition to bi-monthly promotions and wholesale pricing, you can find in-depth product details, ingredients, downloads, and more. All current promotions can be found on our promotions page, with your wholesale pricing automatically appearing throughout the site. Once you arrive at the SUDZZfx website, before registering, check our distributor locator to see if you have a SUDZZfx authorized distributor in your area. If you do, you must order through the local source. Registering as a professional is fast and easy. Click Pro Account and complete our registration form, providing contact details, your salon or spa name if applicable, and most importantly, your beauty professional license number with expiration date and state of licensure. For your protection, complex passwords are required for your account. Once you've submitted your information, please allow up to 3 business days for our staff to verify your details and your license. Once approved, you'll receive a welcome email and can log in immediately. From the home page, simply click Login and enter the username and password you selected when you registered. Once logged in, you'll be able to view and change your account details, payment source, as well as billing and shipping info right from your My Account page. This page is also where your order history appears, allowing you to print out and keep track of your orders. From the shopping menu, you can select specific products or categories, or simply click Shop to view all of our products. You can use the side menu navigation to filter the list. To add a product to the cart, simply click the shopping bag button. For products with more than one size, you will be redirected within the product listing to select the size you would like. Any products currently out of stock will be labeled as such. Once you have your order ready, you can click through to your cart to change quantities or delete items. When you're ready, you can finish on the checkout page. If you've already populated your billing and shipping address, the information will be pre-populated for your convenience. All orders over $75 have free shipping. SUDZZfx has 3 payment methods available to you. You can pay via credit card securely, but also with PayPal if you prefer. If you need a little more time to pay, especially if you are placing a large order, SUDZZl is a new service that allows you to split up your payments equally into 4 pieces with no finance charges. Once placed, you will receive email updates on your order status along with your tracking number. We look forward to servicing your account, and welcome to SUDZZfx.